We're inside the Rulon International booth here at Greenbuild at Washington, D.C., and I'm with Aaron Juneau. Aaron, you're head of new product development and a lot of things, but you guys have a lot going on here at the show. Tell us a little bit about Rulon and what you guys do.
Perfect. At Rulon, we are essentially a manufacturer of high-end acoustic and decorative panels that can be used in high occupancy spaces. So we focus on acoustics, sustainability, fire performance, and as well as integration of lighting fixtures and sprinkler heads, diffusers, things like that actually interact with our panels on the ceilings.
So it's not just the aesthetics and just to look pretty inside a building, it's functional.
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely. Aesthetics are a great part of the panels that we produce, but they also have an engineering aspect to them. They're designed to perform acoustically. They are safe as far as your concerns for fire safety, life safety, and we try to make sure that they're sustainable in the way that we produce them as well.
So this product would be a good fit in what type of environment?
Anything where you got a lot of foot traffic. Okay. Specifically, we focus on areas where we have a lot of vocal noise. So higher education facilities, lobby spaces we're renovating, a lot of government office buildings we're doing the work in their primary usage or primary occupancy space. So anywhere you have a lot of foot traffic, you make a lot of noise, that's where you're typically going to find a Rulon.
So what about the sustainability factor of this? And you had mentioned that. Tell us where that comes from and what the important points are.
Sure. It's kind of twofold. So number one, sustainability in practice, the way that we produce our product, and then sustainability in product as well. So practice-wise, we focus on a couple things. We master plan the entire facility down in St. Augustine, Florida, where we produce our panels. So it's all a very efficient flow, the way that we move material through the facility. We have a recycling program. We take all of our sawdust and we donate it to a local organization that turns it into biofuel. Yeah. Product-wise, a lot of things we focus on. Everything we produce is FSC certified. So it automatically leaves our facility with a chain of custody certificate, which is very important to us. We also have some low VOC finishes. We have a line finishing system that's fantastic, no off-gassing, so it's not harmful chemicals at all. We try to make sure that those are all kind of included as a part of the package anytime we're producing product and sending it out from Rulon.
So is there a specific thought behind the engineering of these panels, or is it simply here's what they are?
It depends. It kind of depends on the design scheme for the building we're working on. Sometimes people will come to us and say, well, we need a little bit of acoustical performance, and they have no set standard for what they need to meet. So we'll sit down with them with some engineers and say, well, how can we help you achieve what you need to do? Well, maybe this panel will work, maybe this panel will work.
So are some of these custom made? Are they ability to be custom ordered?
Almost exclusively all of them are custom made.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So we exist halfway in between a mill worker and a commodity-based panel manufacturer. So we try to take custom and standardize it so that it's very repeatable and budget-friendly for buildings.
Is there maintenance involved in this and installation issues? Is there what are some of the key benefits from that side?
So we use I would say almost exclusively non-proprietary attachment methods, meaning we try to focus on industry standard for attachment. Heavy-duty grid, hat channel, display wire, torsion springs, things that the contractors installing our work are very familiar with, and it makes it easy for them to install. From that point, we issue a installation guide as well as a field maintenance guide for anybody who is working on the panels post-installation. Okay. Cleaning. If we have an issue with a panel, something comes off or something happens to it, maybe it's moisture content in the space, there's a guide and a set of steps for you to sort of follow, either to repair the panel or to get a new one to replace.
Well, it's pretty cool stuff, and we're happy to have you here. We're happy to bring it to building design and construction audience. We are inside Greenbuild here. He's Aaron Juneau from Rulon International. For more information on this product and many others from them, you can visit them online at rulonco.com.